In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook app skips closing. Let's get started. First up, restart your device. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Facebook and launch it, click on offload app and confirm it, then click on reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the Facebook app, click on app info, go to storage, go to clear cache and confirm it. Next up, check for your device update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Next, check internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, check the server status of Facebook. For that, launch your preferred browser, go to downdetector.com website, then search for Facebook. If you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If you're having issues within the app, you can use the web version. Navigate to the website facebook.com, provide your credentials over here, and log in from here. Also, you can check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Facebook. If you see the option update, click on it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.